Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you StreamPilot review. So what actually is StreamPilot? Guys, StreamPilot is a #1 app that lets you turn all your social profiles into automated cash generating machines simultaneously by tapping into a revolutionary live streaming technology. No tech skills necessary, and you will never have to be live on camera or even create videos. Creator of this software is StreamPilot, Victor Akpos, and this software goes live on 27th of August 11 am EST. Right now I'm in the sales phase of this software is StreamPilot. Simple find and click setup will have you ready to start generating free traffic, leads and sales in the next 24 hours granted. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software StreamPilot. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software. This is the members area you can see here. I'm going to show you guys everything, and do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. This is my blog, Passive Money University. I wrote the full review here on my blog about this software StreamPilot. Here you can see lots of information like what is StreamPilot all about. StreamPilot software works 3 simple steps. StreamPilot software complete product overview here. And I also put the official demo. Here is StreamPilot software features, and StreamPilot software will work for everyone. And this is my bonus package. If you purchase this software through via my link, guys, I will give you my $3,745 bonus bundle, totally free. I am as an affiliate. Honestly speaking, guys, if you purchase this software through via my link, I will get small commissions, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this. Okay guys, you can see all of my bonuses here. Also, vendor Victor Akpos will give you lots of bonuses. Guys, who is Victor Akpos? Victor Akpos is the top JVZoo vendor. He launched lots of software successfully on JVZoo marketplace. He's also the #1 affiliate marketer on jvzoo.com. So he knows how to get traffic, how to get sales, how to generate leads. Also, they share their ideas with the software StreamPilot, guys. Okay, and here is you can see one of my special bonuses here, and how to claim your bonuses. Also, you can see all of the information, and 30-day money back guarantee this software, guys, StreamPilot. So you have got nothing to lose. I'm going to show you also the details, so stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show the pricing and everything. Okay, right now, guys, I'm just going to jump the members area of this software StreamPilot, and right now I'm going to show you a quick demo how actually works this software. Okay guys, so attention please, let's see the demo. This is the official demo about this software StreamPilot. They explained well about this software StreamPilot, that's why I shared this, guys. So quickly, this video is very important for you, so stay tuned and keep watching. Attention please, let's get started.
Hi and welcome to StreamPilot. In this video, I'm going to show you how StreamPilot works. In the left side menu is Dashboard, Manage Events, Manage Clients, Manage Products, Manage Orders, My Channel, Shoppable Videos, Contacts. Next is Manage Teams, Integrations, Reseller Manager, and White Label. You will have access to these last ones if you have purchased the upgrades. Next we have Manage Events, where you create and manage all your live selling events. You can create a new event by clicking on the Add New Event button. A dialog will appear where you can set wherever you want to go live using your webcam or from a pre-recorded video. Next, if you choose Public, your session will appear on your landing page, or you can choose privately, so only people you invite can join your live. Next, you can set the date and time when you want your event to start. Live selling is a practice wherein sellers and retailers show patrons and potential customers their products, how they work, how much it costs, and other details in an avenue where customers can order and arrange for the product to be delivered to their doorsteps. StreamPilot allows you to publish products and push them to the viewers of your live event in real time. While you could simply publish all products you want to present during your live session, we recommend to only show the ones you are currently talking about. This will help you to focus your viewers on the current product and can help you to increase sales. StreamPilot allows customers to add products to the built-in shopping cart, checkout without leaving the live event, all this using your payment gateway. You can restream your live event to various social media platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Facebook, IBM Cloud Live, and more. Every live you create has its own unique URL. This means you can hyperlink it in any text, share it in a text message or on social media. Also, you can embed it on your website as a widget or a frame. Our embedded SDK supports all websites, blogs, and e-commerce platforms. Next, we have Manage Client, where you can manage your customers and with ease. You can export, unsubscribe, or block your customers all from our dashboard. Next is Manage Products. StreamPilot allows you to manage inventory, publish them in real time to your audience, and create engagement. To create a new product, navigate to the Product Manager. You can create new products by clicking on the Add New Product button. Or you can import your product from your Shopify store, Amazon, or eBay. A product represents a digital, physical product or service that you sell. Let's create new product. Product image. Here you can upload a JPG or PNG of the product. This will show as a thumbnail on the web app. Enter a reference. Enter a name for the product or service. If you store your products somewhere outside of StreamPilot, such as Shopify, you can enter the page URL that links to that other location. Enter the product's price. Next, enter a description of the product, such as product features, additional options, or measurements. Next, we have Manage Orders. Any order that was received in StreamPilot when using our integrated checkout flow can be found in the Manage Orders section. Next is My Channel. StreamPilot offers you your own channel where you can host your events. As you can see here, we have the name of your channel. Ideally, this is your brand name, description, email, your brand logo, cover, social media links, and more settings. Next, we have Shoppable Videos. This tool features products with embedded links to enable viewers to click on and learn more about them, and eventually purchase if they want to do so immediately. All of these, without having to leave the video. The StreamPilot makes creating shoppable videos easy. Click the Add Shoppable Video button, choose your video, next name your project, and click the Add button. Now here you can add your products, and customize your shoppable video player and other settings. Once you're done editing your shoppable video, it's time to get it out into the world. Now click Save and share your video with your audiences. Once you're done editing your shoppable video, it's time to get it out into the world. Now click Save and share your video with your audiences. Every shoppable video has its own unique URL. And you can hyperlink it in any text, share it in a text message or on social media. Also, you can embed it on your website as a widget or a frame. Next, we have My Leads. Here you can manage your lists and contacts. You can edit, delete, export, or import contacts. StreamPilot also gives you the ability to manage your own team. Invite colleagues, clients, to your team to manage your projects collaboratively. Depending on your plan, you can have up to 10 team members in your organization and they'll have access to the same features as you do. Next is integrations. Integrations allow you to instantly connect your favorite apps to automate your work and be super productive. Current integrations are with most of the main autoresponders or email service providers on the market. So StreamPilot users can build an email list from their audiences. Our API level integrations include GetResponse, ConvertKit, Benchmark, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, Muzinc, and SendLane. The reseller program offers extra benefits to resell StreamPilot S solutions. Next is White Label. An overview tab keeps everything organized. Add your own brand name plus change the theme color, logo, and favicon. Next is email settings. Follow the steps to set up White Label email, which allows email notifications from your own company domain. And finally, domain settings adds your own domain or subdomain name. Thank you for watching this StreamPilot demo.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software StreamPilot, and when you process it you can see the same dashboard, the members area. Okay, right now I'm just going to jump on my blog Festival University, and I'm going to show you a step by step all the information. What is StreamPilot all about? You already know StreamPilot is #1 app that lets you turn all your social profiles into automated cash generating machines. Okay, and everything is here. I put lots of information here about this software, guys. I think this all information will help you. I think this all information will help you to process this software. Okay, StreamPilot makes turning all your live streaming social profiles into cash generating machines incredibly simple with just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, login. Login to the user-friendly dashboard, set up a brand new live or use a pre-recorded video to stream. Guys, they will provide step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training, so you have no problem. Okay. And step number 2, customize. Customize your parameters, set up your products for sale, and go live on multiple platforms. Step number 3, get paid. Once live, simply make your offers, let your customers process and get paid. StreamPilot gives you the ability to capture sales from multiple social platforms without any of the technical hassles that other apps make you go through. Get anyone started quickly. Imagine being able to share your expertise with FB groups or LinkedIn and start generating profits in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now imagine being able to do it without needing to be live on screen and being away from the computer. That's just a snippet of what StreamPilot can do for your courses. You shall get it right now. Link in my video description below. Right now, guys, I'm going to show you StreamPilot complete product overview. The product name is StreamPilot, vendor's name is Akpos. Launch date is 27th of August, 11 AM EST, and this is the official website link. So you have no problem to purchase the official, to find out the official website, guys. And the price is only $37. We can imagine it. They will provide lots of features, lots of opportunity, but price is very low. Only $37, the one-time payment. Also, this software have upsells. Okay, guys. When you purchase this front-end offer and the main dashboard, they will push to purchase their upsells and downsells. But that was not compulsory. Okay, guys. And the 30 days money back guarantee. Here is a demo that I will already show you. StreamPilot features. You can see every features. Manage your clients and subscriber directly from within StreamPilot platform. Autoresponder integration with all the measures ESP, you know, and lots of features is here. And here is StreamPilot will work for everyone. Like if you are affiliate marketer, e-commerce store owner, you must need this type of software to generate traffic and sales. And here is local businesses. Do you have business? Here is the authors, influencers, and sources, local agency or marketers you must need, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my StreamPilot review. You can see all of my bonuses that I've already shown you. And here is my $3,745 bonus, and this is me, guys. The software creator is legit. Okay, so you can purchase this software StreamPilot, and if you want to really make money, and if you want to really generate traffic, also this software will help you. Okay, so you can purchase it. This is the sales page, you know, and here is a lots of info. Also put the vendor No monthly fees, done for your campus, no technical skill, 30-day money back granted this software StreamPilot. And here is you can see their proof. Okay, they share their data. This page is under constructions, guys, because this software goes live on 27th of August. I already made this video 27th of August, but this software goes live on 11 a.m. EST, the New York time, actually Eastern time actually, guys. Okay, you can see lots of info for this. I highly recommend, before purchase any kind of product, at first you research, and all the research information I put here on my blog Passive Money University. I wrote the full review. Just click the link below and check out all the information step by step. You can see also the demo is here. Okay, guys, and this is the information also. Okay, do you have business? You must need this software. This software will change your life, and if you want more traffic, more client, get more sales, this software will help you actually, guys. Okay, and you know video is king right now, so you can stream your video, or recorded video, or live stream video, any kind of video you can stream. And you can see, guys, 30-day 100% money back guarantee is here, so you have no problem, guys. I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate traffic, who actually struggling to generate sales. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video, guys.